Sarah have a bestie. Sarah, who is that? Baby who? Baby? What's her name? Baby Leah. Hey, take time. Sarah. See you pull this out. Leave the baby alone.
Sarah, Bambina.
See baby?
Careful.
Leah, yeah.
Leah.
Butterfly. You know my baby, she still makes sure I want to eat. He already did. Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Look, I'm babysitting today. I'm babysitting today. I got a baby today, y'all. I'm a new mama. I'm a new mama. She fit me, don't it? She look just like Sarah. No, Leah? When they look alike and they have the same name. Lily. You guys, it's a brand new day. It's beautiful outside. I wish my barbecue was working. I would definitely be barbecuing today, but if you guys wonder what I'm talking about, last week my barbecue just keep letting my electricity goes out, so we have to take it back to the place that we bought it. Hopefully that they'll get to fix it. If not, then they probably have to change it or something, or we have to figure out what's going on with our electricity. My girl Shanna is here, so if you're wondering whose baby is this, it's Shanna baby. Sarah is taking a nap. Shanna is here staying with me today because Shanna going back home. She was here last week. Shanna going back home tomorrow, so we're gonna take her to the airport. So she's spending today with me, with my baby girl Lily. Yeah, but that's what's up today. We're just home chilling, chatting, spending the rest of the day here today, just socializing a bit. So that's what we're up to today. So enjoy the rest of today's vlog, and if it's your first time to the fam bam, be sure to subscribe and catch me and keep up with us. Tell me guys, I should go for baby number 3, don't it? No babe? Babe, I should go for baby number 3.
Yes.
You have one here.
I should go for baby number 3. She fit me now.
You can go for renting.
Baby say I can't go for baby say I can't go for renting. And Shanna over there, Shanna in the kitchen fixing babe lunch. She put in babe lunch in the microwave. Anyway, you guys also the rest of the fam bam throughout the rest of today. Tyler create a menu, a whole restaurant menu. A whole restaurant menu, going around asking people what they want to eat.
Comment? Okay, monsieur. Tout sweet, huh?
Tyler create his menu, his restaurant menu. Babe!
Oh.
Thank you.
Him not eat with spoon, give him fork and fork.
Eat with spoon. You want to eat with spoon?
No, we eat with fork.
Yes, eat with fork. I don't like spoon either.
A Caribbean people eat
Yeah,
with spoon.
Eh.
You guys, what you eat with spoon or fork? Caribbean people eat with spoon. Listen, me think people who eat with spoon don't have no patience. I think they just want to finish the food and done.
You want me to blow though?
You agree, no, Shanna?
It's okay.
Ishan?
Yes. Caribbean people, me eat it. I have the rice, a big old with a big old spoon. Hell no, I hate it.
I hate
no, it's
it.
etiquette.
Well, let's see who comment in the comment section say you eat with spoon, and tell me the reason why you eat with spoon.
I Caribbean. Caribbean people.
Lily just chilling. She just relaxing in Tatahan. Look how pretty she is. Oh my god, you're so pretty. Pretty? Pretty, pretty? Wait, it's coming. Look, look, it's here. It's right here. Messi. Wow. Wow. put it right in here. Perfectly. Messi. Oh la la, Sarah got ice cream, yogurt ice cream. Turn around. Eat. Eat. Yummy. Wow. She been screaming out her lungs. You got ice cream, you happy? The merci, Tata. Say thank you, Tata. Sarah, say thank you, Tata. Murder. Alright. I think we should come off this mall and go on the street.
Okay.
Let's do that.
But what time the store close?
Which one?
Upstairs, right?
Them close here now. The store now close about 7, no? I have no idea. Me no know. Come see elevator here. We're going down.
I'm put that together.
What the name of the store that we went in? What floor it was on? 2. Beside Grand Recre. What name? I don't know what name. Grand Recre, no? It's in front of the toy store. We're going 0, no?
Fermeture des portes, doors closing. Ouverture des
You guys, can you believe that I'm in town? Sarah? No, sir, Sarah, open it.
Sens descendre, going down. Fermeture
You guys, we are in town. We're searching for Dodo for Princess and getting fresh air. We leave the boys at home.
Yeah.
Doing boys things.
doors opening.
We got the good one? No? You sure? No, come. We're here. We're at the good one. Yeah, we are the good one. We are in town, so we are just trying to find what we need. Let's see if we can find it, and then we head back home. Town is so full, so much people. I was wondering if they get a memo that I didn't get, that something is happening in town today. But it's full, 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 full. Town doing a little shopping. We find the doodles for the baby, and now we are about to go and buy some food for dinner and head home, so that way when we get home we don't have to cook. So we just stopped. Shanna is gone into Zara. We're at Zara right now, and baby girl is here chilling. Hi, Princess. Hi, Princess. Hi. Hello. Look at her. She's so chill. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. And look at this one. Hi, you. Hey, hey. Say hello, babes. What you doing? Say hello, babes. You eating lollipop? The lollipop? Good girl. Yummy? Yummy, yummy. So I'm controlling 2 babies right now. Mom of 2. 2 under 2. Is 2 under 2 or 2 under 3? Which one? guys, we're picking up dinner. What time I said we are going to have? Hey, picking up pork, picking up dinner. Okay, you can take this and then name.
And
We name pork après. Oops. Sarah, you can't get that. It's decor. You can't. Sarah want the people in flowers. Name pork. Name. C'est combien pour un? €1? You want them? 2, 4, 6, 8. Wait.
So now what is that?
Sarah? I'm not sorry, eat one.
So you know, take 9.
No, 8 is fine.
You sure?
We're buying dinner. She's packing our dinner to go. Just pork. Only pork. She just, no, say 2.
That's the one? What's it up?
Who?
Oh,
She said she just chill. She had to cover them. Snack, please. Okay, coming right up. Voila. Voila. T'es satisfait? This is so nice. You guys, we have been back home and we ate. Sarah still at the table. You see Sarah still at the table and the boys are here. Hello guys. You say hello to face from morning. Look at him. Living his best rest life.
Yeah, it's a day off. It's called a day off. It's a Sunday.
No, it's not, honey.
It's
a Saturday. How was dinner?
That was good.
How was your day with me away from you for the afternoon, for the evening?
Just went away for 2 hours. I just spent 2 hours out of the nose and with Tyler playing. So it was fine. He wasn't complaining like he's complaining right now. So
Alright.
he was okay.
I'm back, that's why he's whining.
Yeah, he's whining. He like when people are around him. He's like you. He like when people are around him knows. I'm joking. You're the opposite. You're keeping everything. I like to say something shit to make you react.
I got thump in your nose, both to make me react. Tyler. You guys, weekend. Friday, not Friday night, it's Saturday night. Saturday night, and baby's giving the entire table 6. And y'all know I'm not taking no 6. I'm gonna get up right now. I'm gonna get up after this game finish. Babe, what are you really up to, babe?
Play.
What are you really up to?
Play, girl.
Me not take no 6. I'm getting up right now.
So play, Papa.
Yeah, I'm about to play.
Tyler, you're getting 6. Papa giving you 6.
Tyler playing to the end. He's always playing to the end.
It's rough.
I always have one.
I tell you, I'm only nice the first night. Then after I'm not, I fix you.
We got 6. Ah! They've give all of us 6. Shanna, we need for this one of nationality. Oh, in God, you over make this Frenchman give you 6, Shanna. Babe, really give you 6, honey?
Boy, win. Yeah, that was easy.
Baby.
Easy.
Alright, give me my credit. Baby, who teach you to play domino?
Easy.
Who teach you to play domino?
Myself, I watch you.
Jesus Christ, what a man wicked. Who teach you to play? Baby, who teach you to play domino, baby? So thanks to your teacher. Say it. Say it. Your first 6 that in a babe. You deserve a trophy.
What you mean I felt six? Felt six?
I didn't there right on them and him couldn't get it. You let up Ludo, make Ludo.
I give her credit. She did not run away this time. That's why she said first 6 because
like
usually at 5 she run away.
I got 6. Me don't want another 6, honey. Me done.
You done?
Yeah, me no want no more.
True, you done?
Yes,
You don't want
man.
to mix? I mean,
No.
I play with Tyler team.
No.
You play with Shanna and I play team with Tyler.
No, if you come give me one more 6.
No, let's do that. I play team with
You
Tyler.
guys, me get 6, me
don't
done.
think you
I am finished.
Let's play team.
Yes. Boys versus girls.
Okay?
I trick them, I come trick me now.
Papa.
Let's play team.
That means that means we
That no mean Papa gonna see your hand and you gonna see Papa hand, you know, that's not what it means.
It's just that if you win, I win.
Stella is
If I
too
win,
funny.
you win. It doesn't matter who wins, it is boy that get 1 point. So you have to help
Thank you,
Papa.
Papa.
You have to help
Thank
Papa
you,
and I have
Papa.
to help you. Okay? Alright, let's come. That should be interesting. I mean, you're a terrible player, so you consider.
I what?